Alright, welcome back to Del Do It Yourself fans. Today we're looking at the Cartoon Network Annual 2004 comic book here. So, this is a yearly issue that Cartoon Network puts out. I don't know if they still do these anymore. But this is a unique collection of comics in the art style of the shows that you can find probably on eBay. I'm not sure how rare this is, but when you look through it, it's a comic book in the style of a Dexter's Laboratory, in the style of that show. So you've got Dexter's Laboratory, you've got Cow and Pig, you've got Powerpuff Girls in here, and there's there's comic book episodes of these characters. So yeah, really cool stuff in there. Here, get you a better look at that. Oh, camera. Here. There we go. Doesn't quite want to focus, but you can kind of see. Yeah, it's a good number of pages. Flipping to the end, there's 63 pages in this one. Yeah, you got Billy and Mandy here at the end, all going on their cartoon adventures. So if you're a fan of the show and you want to see a comic book, if you want to see comics of these characters, you should be able to find these online or at your local, maybe bargain bin at the local Goodwill, if you're lucky enough to pick one of these out. Looks like this one does it have a price tag on it? Do we have a price on these, or not really?
I forget how much they were. Cartoon Network Annual. There's not.
But yeah, this is the. Oh, actually, yes, yeah, £6.99. That's pounds, right?
It's either euros
or euros.
Pounds. Maybe say.
Okay, so this is a UK issue. Yeah, cartoonnetwork.co.uk. So there's probably this version. There's probably an American version. There's probably versions for different regions, which is really cool.
You know, there's not like a Wikipedia or anything talking about them. It's just like there's listings for them on sale, but they don't talk.
Like they just exist mainly in physical form. There's no.
Yeah, nobody digitized.
It's a pretty niche sort of issue. Because I never saw these as a kid. It was always.
I think they started,
it was just the TV shows for me.
It started in like 1999, and then I think they still make them, but they really peaked around like 2005, 2007.
Oh, okay.
And basically it showcased characters of that year. So Courage, Cow and Chicken, Dexter's Laboratory, Powerpuff Girls, Grim Adventure, that kind of stuff. Those are the shows that might have been on at that time.
Yeah, they were.
So it gave you like a snapshot.
Yeah, this is the back. You got Johnny Bravo in the center, Ed and Eddy. There's Grim. Yeah, really cool. Alright, so that was the Cartoon Network Annual 2004 in the UK. Pretty cool. So yeah, this is the spine of the book. It's thin, but it's got a lot to offer. So if you can find one of these to add to your collection, if you're an avid comic book fan, I would highly suggest picking one of these out. Bye-bye.